I used to hate history in the school. Always thought it was boring. Always had a very difficult time memorizing dates and places. But as I grew up, I realized that history is important. Winston Churchill said, "Those who failed to learn from history are doomed to repeat it." History teaches us that the only factor that is consistent in life is change. We must change. While I still often forget important dates, there is one that I remember always, July 24, 1991. We were taught that this was the day when former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh presented the Union Budget of Narasimha Rao government. This budget adopted what we know now as the policies of liberalization, privatization and globalization. The face of the Indian economy changed with it, and so did the way we looked at economics. The ease of exports and imports and India finally opening up its trade boundaries to the world made us reach where we are today as a nation. I also think that there is an important lesson here, that the strong measures in the Union Budget have helped this nation in the darkest of times. This pandemic might have been a dark time, but history has taught me optimism, so as in 1991, this time too, we will pull through. I am enthralled by this nation's power. We are 1.3 billion unique individuals with our own dreams and hopes, which may differ from each other. Even the 1991 budget was met with the ample resistance, but we pulled through. It is the power of the people that matters. It is the temperament of the nation that matters. Me and my friends hope for a better tomorrow. We talk about our jobs, our hopes, our dreams and our ambitions. Our glorious history teaches us that what we dream and what we can achieve are not necessarily two separate things. So I don't hate history now. In fact, it has become more important for me than ever before. It's the history that tells us about the role of union budgets in building of this nation as it stands today. And this, my friends, is the importance of a budget. The budget shapes your future in more ways than one. It tells you about the sectors where job opportunities would come. It's a guide for investments. It's a guide for your home. Budget, it's a guide for your tax planning. In short, it may be termed as one-stop shop for your future. So don't miss it. Hear it, read it and don't forget it. समस्या का समाधान बजट पर दो ध्यान. For the complete analysis of the Union Budget and how it impacts your finances, do log on to the Investonomics page on ICICIdirect.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels and click on the bell icon to stay updated on all the things money.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from ICICI Direct.